My name is Tiana Els and I'm the maintenance administrator here at Rossgro. My role is to coordinate job cards, capture information and assist in planning to ensure behind the scenes processes move smoothly. I would describe my leadership style as supportive and dependable. I've realized that leadership isn't just a title. It's not manager or supervisor. Leadership should be the person you can depend on, the person that supports you as well. You can be a leader without having the title. You don't have to be the loudest voice in the room. It's all about being there, supporting one another and just doing what needs to be done to get the job done. It's a difficult question actually to answer because we all face challenges every day. It's not just one thing, it's not just one moment. It's feeling like you aren't enough, feeling like you're not doing enough, feeling like I don't know how I'm going to make it till Chila. I don't know how I'm going to make it till the end of the day. I'm going to lose my head, I'm going to run away. But just remembering that you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be true to yourself and just keep smiling. Or like Dory said, just keep swimming. Because at the end of the day, that's why we're here. We're here to work together, and even though it gets tough, just remembering that it's okay to ask questions. It's okay to ask for help. If you are struggling, it's not a sign of weakness to ask for assistance. It's a show of strength because you know you can't do it without the help of your colleagues, your managers, anyone. You can't pour from an empty cup. Be kind to yourself. Rest when you need to rest. And just breathe. Take it a day at a time. You don't have to be perfect, just be you. I actually love this question because when I started here, that wasn't our slogan actually. Our slogan was actually where farming meets family. And then it adapted to where farming meets the future, and it's still just as amazing because we do some of the most basic things. We capture data, we fix a broken light bulb, replace it, whatever it may be, but we're still doing it as a whole because we can't work without each other. The farm managers can't do their job with the chickens if we in the maintenance department don't do our job with maintaining and assisting. We also need the head office team, the financial personnel, the receptionists, the bosses. It's about working together today to ensure a better future tomorrow and staying true to the people who founded this company and who've built this company from the ground up. Coffee. That's my message, coffee, short and sweet. Okay, so I typed out this message because it's something that I keep with me and I want to share it with everyone watching, listening. And that is, believe in yourself. Even when you don't have all the answers yet, don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or to take on new challenges, because that's how you learn and grow. Never underestimate the value of your voice, your hard work, or the difference you can make. Stay true to who you are, be kind, keep showing up, and remember that confidence isn't something you are born with that you are born with. It grows every time you choose courage over fear. Every successful woman started exactly where you are today.